Facebook follow button. In today's video, we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. And after this, go to apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook. Open Facebook right now and scroll down, click on storage. On storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and then you have to back. Click now on force stop, click OK, and what you should do, you have to back to your home page and you have to restart your phone. That's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.